Hey everybody, Emil here, Go Ikigai LLC. It's day 23, and we're working through a very challenging chapter in chapter 8 because we're going through defeat and when it stings and when it hurts and how hard it can be to recover. But that's also where our character shows up and where the real us, the real part of us really like burst out because that difficult time, it really reflects on who we are and it shows us how do we deal with defeat. So I was going back in my journal in the workbook, and I was looking at a time when I faced a very specific defeat. I did not get into the Air Force Academy my very first time I applied. I had to go to the Air Force Academy preparatory school, and it was disappointing. A young man who's got dreams of flying airplanes and being in the Air Force and all those wonderful things. And I didn't get in. So then I had to figure out what I was going to do. And my lesson learned from that was perseverance pays off. But at the time when you're 17 and you've got starry eyes and your future's really looking bright, you don't understand what perseverance means until you live it. And that lesson stuck with me for a lifetime. And it became the basis of my ikigai, which is loving and helping other people. Because when I persevere, I tend to look for ways to assist others, to lift them up, to make them better than they are. See, my ikigai was revealed through my intense experiences and memories. And I'm cataloging them in this workbook, and it's really reminding me, refreshing me, just how important those lessons were and how important it is to be connected to my purpose. I hope you can join me at www.startwithasparkle.com so you can discover your ikigai and connect with your purpose. These intense experiences and memories are difficult to go through, but they're worth it. It's more than just remembering the pain. It's dissecting those experiences with a new lens, with a frame of reference that allows us to see ourselves more clearly and therefore our purpose more clearly, and hopefully build a very clear, solid, evidence based case for who we are in the future. Because when we hinge our success on our purpose, we become motivated and dedicated to the things we love. And that's what needs to happen all the time. We'll be there together. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. We're coming nearly to the end of our journey. And as we do, you're going to see more and more just how powerful it is to be a part of your own purpose and consciously understand it. I'll talk to you later, and thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.